Boy, he's still 6 foot under there, ain't he? Survivor of Gillville. How old was that boy that's up in that?
What's his wire?
Yeah. That's a cable line.
I don't remember.
Ooh. Landing at the church over there.
Watch the wire.
KK. Our porch is still there.
Huh?
Our swing's still there. Our porch must still be there.
Yeah.
There's my truck. That's went down a foot or two. Yeah, shit, look at the dang spacious.
Hell, that's not dead. Hell, they don't want to be below the meter.
I bet you still got power.
I hope.
See if that light's on that house. I'll tell it.
On that house?
That front porch light was
No,
on.
it went out.
Oh, it did when the water went
It
up?
kicked the brake. I tell you what I gotta do. I'm gonna take me a good shit.
Oh yeah, you got 5 steps showing again. There it is, the lone survivor. Momo. Prairie dogging back here?
No, I'm just looking at the steps.
Oh, your tent's still there, did you? Damn, the boat's about underwater. Five steps.
What's that damn wire?
Yeah, it's almost like it broke my arm. Well, Danny's porch still there. Is that air mattress deflated? It is. I I went in there and saved her cat.
Yeah.
There's one of them up the tree there for sure. The other one's up the other tree. There's Danny's. Look, I think Danny's all right. Our car back there.
Dan, we got to go time.
All right. Ain't Sherry, Uncle Ken, Jesse and Rachel. Look how that Corolla moved around. Damn, I backed it up to that tree yesterday. Flying some more survivors out. I guess we could make work. Yeah, we jacked Mama's up on blocks and it didn't do much good.
Y'all left that window open?
How am I gonna shut it? It locks from the inside. That's how I got out the house. I wasn't about to open the door. It was 4 or 5 inches difference.